Hey y'all, it's your girl Sabrina here. So welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina Latrice. This channel is about my life, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. So couple things, right? Let me sit y'all down so we can talk. Okay, couple things. Y'all can't even see me, this lighting is terrible. Okay, so I have some cleaners coming in, some professional cleaners to come and clean the house. Now, this is my first time ever doing something like this, and I'm a little embarrassed, only because like I feel like this is stuff I should be doing, especially since I'm not working right now. But I've done all of these tasks multiple times, and it's like no matter what I do, if it's not my husband, it's the dogs, and everything just gets back junky. So I'm absolutely sick of it. So I decided to have someone come in and actually help me do it. I'm starting to feel like I'm getting burnt out by doing house chores all the time. So I currently have that cleaning service coming right now. Now today, I think they're supposed to do the consultation and come back tomorrow for the actual like services, but I'm not too sure. We'll see when they get here. But I'm just trying to clean up just a little bit to get stuff arranged. So that way we kind of like, they can walk in, I can show them exactly what to do, and they can like, you know, let me know how much it'll be. So they just left. They gave me a good quote. I'm excited, and they'll be here tomorrow at 8:30 to complete the work. I don't have to do anything but sit back. I'm gonna do my own dishes, but I'm gonna have them do the rest of it. So I'm super excited. Hello my beautiful people. Okay y'all, so today is I don't know y'all, anyways, it's a Sunday, and pretty much your girl did a few updates in her bedroom and in her house. Just to give you guys a little bit of rundown, the last clip that you seen in this video, I had just got a new bedroom set, as far as like comforter and pillows and stuff like that. So yesterday I went out with my best friend to Rooms to Go, and I picked up a nightstand for my husband because again I didn't have one for him at the time, and I picked up a new, I think it's called a server, but I'm gonna use it as an actual like TV, what is that called, a TV stand. So in the living room, it's gonna go in the living room under it's gonna go in the living room under our TV, and it's basically just gonna have all of our stuff that we use, like our games, candles, stuff like that. I'm so happy because right now all I have is a plain shelf that our neighbor built when we first moved in, so I'm super excited to get something new. Right now it's about, I think, 11:30, 11:40. The delivery people are supposed to be here soon, so I'll definitely be showing you guys what it looks like once they get here. Again, I'm super excited, but let me show you guys what the actual nightstand looks like. Again, if you guys are local to Houston, the Humble area, Rooms to Go has an outlet where everything is about like 50 to 60% off depending. So let me show you guys this. So this is the nightstand, right? We got the nightstand that matches the headboard. As you guys know, that headboard actually lights up, and then I have a matching dresser on my side. Now the gray goes with the black and white, but if I'm being honest, once we move into a bigger house, because I plan on buying a bigger house in the next few years, I'm gonna put this bedroom set in the guest bedroom, and I'm gonna get a one of those tuft beds, the storage beds. You've seen them in all the girls' homes, but I want one for mine. Remember, I was just saying all I have here is this shelf. So yes, I'm gonna be replacing this shelf here, and getting the black and gold server. The only issue that I do have is that well, y'all just gonna have to look at this. This is actually under there, so it's all junky. Hey girl, hey. Okay, but I have mostly silver accessories in my house, so I'm gonna have to get some gold accessories to kind of go with the new server. But I'll show you guys what it looks like once they get here. I'll go ahead and show you guys the actual server slash TV stand real quick before I head out. This is the actual server, okay? It's a server slash TV stand, okay? And as you can see, it looks beautiful. So this is a speaker right here. I get that question all the time. This is actually a speaker. It's one of the best speakers that we ever had. Actually better than a Bose speaker, but anyways, we got it from Sprint about 2 years ago. But look how it looks. These are all handles that open. Don't mind the broken one. I'm going to be changing that one out soon. It also has a little paint damage right there, but it's okay. I'm going to fix that too. But it actually goes in with our cabinetry. It's the perfect shade to match the cabinets, so this actually ties into that, but I don't feel like it ties into the living room, so more than likely I will be painting it black, but I'm not doing that today. But yeah, I want to go ahead and show y'all what that, I want to show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna open this up, and as you guys can see here, we have a few things, okay? So we got 2 levels of storage, and then we have a drawer. This drawer comes in handy, okay? Now, I don't have an entryway table, keep in mind. So when we do like for our keys, wallets, stuff like that, it'll more than likely go in here. TV remote, because we always losing the remotes. So this will be perfect. So this is what it looks like inside. This side has the same exact setup as the other one. I just have all our stuff in there. And then one last thing that's wrong with it is this handle. This handle is moved all the way to the side because the nails that's inside the handle are bent. So me and Bae are just gonna go ahead and unscrew it and put new nails in it. That way it sits front and center like the rest of them. But again, this was $1.99 from the Rooms to Go outlet. That is shopping on a budget. Now that you guys have seen the little changes that I'm making, I'm just so happy with my home updates. Again, as I continue to go, I will be adding new pieces to my home. Like I said, the CB2 table will be next, and the chairs to go along with it, and then the bar stools. And then I'll actually start putting more cohesive pieces in my area. But I'm just so proud of the progress that we have made. Well, I have made as far as decorating, because my husband, he don't care how I decorate. He just want me to do it how I want to do it. But me, I'm gonna make sure that when I walk in this home, it's my paradise. With that being said, one scent that I have been loving lately that actually helps me keep my house smelling good, clean, and just overall great is this Bath and Body Works candle, y'all. Okay, it is the lemon, the sugared lemon zest. You guys, if you love your house to smell like lemons, fresh, clean, this smells delicious. It smells like a lemon sugar cookie, and it works really well. Thank you guys for tuning in. That is it for this video. I just want to show you a few of my home updates. Like I said, I'm still in the midst of getting everything together, but I'm excited about the progress that I've made and the progress that I will be making soon. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you see the future videos. Again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.